Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the very popular hymn, Oh How I Love Jesus. In some hymnals it's called There Is a Name I Love to Hear. This song was written by Frederick Whitfield in 1855. Very easy song to play, just primarily using 3 chords, G, D, and C. So let's get started. There is a name I love to hear, I love to sing its word. It sounds like music in my ear, the sweetest name on earth. Oh, how I love Jesus, oh, how I love Jesus, oh, how I love Jesus, because He first loved me. Okay, very easy hymn to play, just using the chords of G major and D major and last C major. Okay, just a quick review on how to play these chords. To play G major, you place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, then place finger number 2 on the very top E string, string number 6 on the 3rd fret, and then your little small finger on string number 1 of the 3rd fret, strum all strings. This will be G major. Okay, to play D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. This is D major. Okay, to play C major, you place finger number 1 on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then you skip a string and place finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, then stretch your 3rd finger to string number 5 of the 3rd fret, strum all strings but this top E string. That is C major. Okay, that makes up all the chords for this song. Very simple to play. The strumming pattern is a little bit different from what we taught previously in lessons. Most songs are in 4/4 time, 4 beats per measure. Some are 3/4 time, 3 beats per measure. This particular song is 6/8 time. So we're playing the strumming pattern. The strumming is a little bit faster, and there's 6 beats per measure. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. On 1, I'm not hitting all the strings. On beat number 1, I'm just kind of hitting the top 2 or 3 bass strings here. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we'll play through the verse real slow. If you look at the chord progression and the lyrics up above, and again, you want to change chords as shown on the lyric sheet. When the chord is placed directly above a particular word or the syllable of a word, that's when you want to change the chords. So we'll play through this real slow. Okay, let's just play the chords first. Okay. D, G, okay, let's play the chords again and let's sing through it now. There is a name I love to hear, I love to sing its word. It sounds like music in my ear, the sweetest name on earth. Okay? Okay, let's look at the chorus. It's basically the same chord progression, okay? Oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus, because he first loved me. Okay, let's look at another verse. Okay, let's look at the second verse. Okay, it G, all the Savior's love, D major, back to G. It tells me of his precious blood, the sinner's perfect plea. Okay, notice on that last line you have to kind of change a little bit faster. The sinner's perfect plea. Okay, so let's sing that through one more time, the second verse. It tells me of a Savior's love, who died to set me free. It tells me of his precious blood, the sinner's perfect plea. On the chorus, oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus, because he first loved me. Okay, very easy song to play. Of course, it's got 2 or 3 additional verses on this song, and you can play it as fast or as slow that you feel comfortable with in singing. And if you don't like strumming those very, very fast strums, you can just kind of cut those beats in half and play it much easier. So if you like this video lesson, you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the like button after the video. If you're not a current subscriber, I'd like to have you hit the subscribe button. It's free, there's no obligation, it just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found, and you'll also be notified when I upload new videos each week. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. So thank you for viewing my channel today. Have a great day. God bless you.